MD5 was designed by Ronald Rivest in 1991. The MD5 hashing algorithm is a one-way cryptographic hash function that verifies if a file, document, or software has gone unaltered. Generally, MD5 accepts a message of any length as input and returns a fixed-length digest value as output to be used for authenticating the original message. The MD5 message digest hashing algorithm processes data in 512-bit blocks broken down into 16 words composed of 32 bits each. The output from MD5 is a 128 message digest value. The computation process of the MD5 is performed in separate stages that processes each 512-bit block of data along with the value computed in the preceding stage. The first stage begins with the message digest value initialized using hex values. Each stage includes 4 message digest passes with manipulated values in the current block and values processed from the previous block. The final value computed from the last block becomes the MD5 digest for the block. The most widely used tools to check if a digital or object file has been changed are checksums in cryptographic hashes like MD5 and various SHA algorithms as stated by the National Digital Stewardship Alliance. Checksum is a method for detecting errors when copying a file from one destination to another. When a file is being copied or moved between two different storage mediums, an error can occur that cannot be seen from a quick glance. Mauricio has a friend named Ryan who's a cinematographer/photographer. He utilizes Adobe Prelude to perform an MD5 check to ensure that the source file he is using is the same as the ingested file. Since he's an individual who does not have resources to rent massive amounts of storage space online, he externally utilizes terabytes worth of videos and photos, which he runs MD5 checksum for assurance of integrity of the files when transferring, because he cannot have all those terabytes worth of files saved on his main hard drive or it'll slow down his workstation. Production companies often have gigabytes worth of scenes from a shoot that when copied or moved to a different storage area can lead to a loss of data. In video post-production, a checksum is used to prevent as many of these errors as possible. Under specifications and guides for Netflix, they use MD5 checksum to check the integrity of the files. Here is part of the procedure straight from their preparing original capture assets section. The embedding of multiple digital watermarks into a patient's medical images at the same time provides an extra layer of security and is important for verifying that patient's identity. Further, the security of the image and electronic patient record watermarks is enhanced by using Message Digest MD5 hash algorithm and Rivest Shamir Alderman respectively before embedding into the medical cover image. In addition, Hamming error correction code is applied on the encrypted EPR watermark to enhance the robustness and reduce the possibility of bit error rates which may result in a wrong diagnosis in medical environments. Digital watermarking via MD5 enables an assured private transmission of medical data that ensures patient privacy while also giving a means to verify the integrity of the data in question. This opens the field of secure telemedicine for people living in hard-to-access areas. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, which outlines standards for individuals' privacy rights as well as individuals' rights to understand and control how their health information is used, it is important that best practices are enforced, which brings any means of assurance such as digital document watermarking into relevancy.